Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so fortunate to be amongst you in this August gathering. Today, what we started a very small way during COVID 5 years ago, CII TG-PackCON, a virtual event at that time, thanks to Sanjay Singh and Samir Goyal those days, the past chairman, under their leadership and followed by our dear friend Sri Vagish Dikshit Garu, continuously supporting this cause, Shekhar Reddy Garu and Sai Prasad Garu, all these past chairmen, we held 4 editions. And then we are before you with the 5th edition. Ladies and gentlemen, I must say the CII TG-PackCON, the traction has got very, very great, I must say. And it's not just a packaging conference, I keep on saying about it. It is the connecting the dots with all the economies, all the pillars of the economies. As already told by my chairman, we articulated in such a way, today, the 3 pillars we did. In fact, when we explained this to our Honorable Minister, Sridhar Babu Garu, personally we went and met him and explained to him this theme. He was so happy that we are conducting this event, and he extended his warm greetings. But for the election code, he couldn't appear, but he has sent his regards and he has sent all the wishes. Similarly, the Special Chief Secretary, Mr. Sanjay Kumar also, he was to fly to Delhi, and unfortunately he couldn't join us today. But both of them extended their warm greetings and support for this initiative. And today we are so fortunate to have Mr. Nikhil Chakravarthi. He is the Commissioner of Industries, Telangana. He will be joining in the afternoon. He was stuck up with some personal health reasons, but he also extended wholeheartedly for this conference. And most importantly, our dear friend, very well connected with the industry, Mr. S.E. Akshay. He is the Joint Director General of Foreign Trade, JDGFT, always there for our support. Today, despite his a lot of busy schedule, he is there personally to interact with us, all of us, and share the initiatives of the Government of India in the foreign trade, and which acts as a catalyst to improve the economy as well. Akshay we all know Reddy Garu, how he was leading the DGFT earlier. After his retirement, both Akshay and Mr. Chauhan, Sambhaji Chauhan, they are leading the baton. And we are very happy, and thank you very much, sir, for gracing this occasion. And most importantly, I need not have to say, Mr. Anil Kumar Vepura Garu, for last 50 years, can you imagine, many of you are not born at the time. He has been mentoring the undivided state of Andhra Pradesh before, and now is such a great inspiration for all of us today. And he's there with us despite his the health issue. I requested him to be at least 1 hour with us and give his message also, who has been supporting a lot for us. Mr. Manish Jain on the stage, who is also a backbone of this this event continuously for the last 2 years. He has been support, and he flew from USA only for this event last night, and then is the managing director of Silicant, the name reckoning in the moisture absorption and the desiccant field, which is very catalyst in increasing the growth of the industry. You'll be surprised, many brands in Hyderabad, be it pharmaceuticals or even food brands like Almond House, Dadu's, Pulla Reddy's and all, I think they increased the business 2x and 3x thanks to him because of his products. A round of applause to Manish as well today. And Vagish Garu, what should I say to him? You are going to listen to him, I think, the name which doesn't need an introduction. And I also thank our past chairperson, the very inspiring Dr. Vanitha Datla Garu, who is leading the CEO roundtable immediately after this inauguration also. And host of CEOs you are going to see, all of them, my sincere thanks to them for obliging my request to come on board and share their experiences from the diversified fields today. If I start naming, so many CEOs are already sitting in the audience. Thanks to you all, one and all, once again. And And to be frank, this year's Vision edition, in fact, last year was the signature edition. This year, thanks to Epur Garu, he has suggested this name, the vision, how the vision should be taking forward, uh, even in Telangana, 1 trillion to 3 trillion economy. And the nation economy also, we are becoming the third largest economy in the world. And aligning with the same principle, I think let's name it a Vision edition. Thank you, Epur Garu, for that guidance. And as I told, this is divided into 3 sectors basically. They're dedicated to the idea that a robust and innovative and sustainable packaging ecosystem, it's a catalyst. As I told you, it's not a packaging conference, but packaging is a catalyst in everywhere for unlocking the next phase of Indian growth story. Our entire agenda is anchored by the 3 foundational pillars shaping the nation's economic future. Well, my friends, the first, I think, the backbone of the Indian economy, the food and agri. You're going to listen to my friends from the ASEAN CEO, Nadminti Vijay, Mr. Balasubramaniam. He is also there with us for the last 25 years, heading the Mars earlier and also Shrestha Foods later. And now, so today he's the CEO in ITC. He is there. And Mr. Sudhir Shah, Scoops Ice Cream and Indian Ice Cream Association, the director. And many of them are going to give their insights on the food and agri. And pharma and life sciences, I think that is another major wing. Tomorrow is dedicated for that. The growth engine for economic progress. And then the third, the most importantly, we put it in such a way, the technology, electronics, services, GCCs, FMCG, CPG, and all of them are the catalysts for the innovation and value creation and the global competitiveness. So we divided this event into these 3 pillars, and TG-PackCON 2025 is a platform where leaders and change makers from all these 3 critical sectors converge. We are here to jointly build a future-ready ecosystem that doesn't just manage the logistics, but actively drives innovation, sustainability, and large-scale economic expansion. My dear friends, I wish to take a couple of more minutes to highlight you. Mr. Akshay was also asking, what is this all about? The growth story unfolding, if I say, our program is designed to deliver the high-impact insights and actionable strategies across 2 intense days. My friends, the inaugural session, as you already told, I explained to you, and within this integrated, the keynote address, innovations for economic growth, the packaging as a catalyst there, detailing how innovation, sustainability, and technology integration in packaging directly catalyze industrial productivity and export expansion. This will be dealt by none other than our Vagish Dikshit Sahab. And followed by the leadership panel, the plenary session headed by the Vanitha Datla Garu, Dr. Vanitha Datla Garu. It's a very high impact conversation featuring around 10-11 CEOs from manufacturing, food, pharma, FMCG and tech sectors, exploring efficiency, competitiveness, the new growth equation that will define India's next wave. And well, the day 2, most importantly, we dive into pharma and life sciences for economic growth, examining the regulatory advancements and global competitiveness. And this will be followed by very interesting tomorrow afternoon. I think I request all of you to stay tuned. The session will be featuring representatives from the United Kingdom, Australia, Turkey, Canada, and the Netherlands to explore global market opportunities. In fact, I request Akshay Garu also to spare a couple of hours tomorrow afternoon to be there. So then the other important thing is, with the permission of our chair, Mr. Prasad Reddy Garu, we introduced a novel idea this year. In fact, Mr. Vagish Dikshit also was pioneer in bringing up such initiatives in my earlier initiatives. Truly capture the spirit of the change, we have introduced high energy addresses designed to shake up conventional thinking. So what is that? The disruptive talk today afternoon, a high energy address by analog astronaut and space scientist on challenging the conventional leading to change and creativity. So today afternoon that will be there by Miss Young Jahnavi Dangeti. And tomorrow there is another disruptive session, a thought-provoking address by an AI expert and a very leading podcaster. and he will be giving us how artificial intelligence is redefining research and clinical development. That will be very interesting tomorrow afternoon. And apart from this, our core working sessions will focus on product innovation, ensuring we capture the cutting edge across the value chain. My dear friends, the sustainability and the circularity as a vital and overarching theme. The food and agri, pharma, life sciences, and medtech as well. Tomorrow it will be touched upon medtech also, the most happening sector. And the technology, electronic services, FMCG and CPG. And these focused panels are crucial for seeing how technology translates directly into economic advantage across key Indian sectors. Well, my friends, I must express my sincere appreciation to the entire CII leadership and for their unwavering support, and especially the chairman, Mr. R. Sivaprasad Reddy Garu, and my dear friend, Vice Chairman, Mr. M. Gautam Reddy Garu. And my sincere thanks also once again to the past chairman of the CII Southern Region, Mr. Anil Kumar Epur Garu, and all the past chairpersons and state council colleagues for their support, and my core organizing team especially, and the CII Secretariat led by Mr. Samiuddin, Sheikh Samiuddin, for their tireless dedication and their invaluable effort in bringing this vision to life. And special thanks to all my partners, most importantly, you see all of them on the back, without whose support this would not have been a reality. The summit is more than a conference, my dear friends, as I told you. It is a strategic gathering to unlock enormous economic potential within our grasp. I invite every stakeholder to join us at the Park Hotel, Somajigoda, this way. Today we are gathering here to contribute to this. And for your information, this is also being podcasted live. We share the live link also. You can share with all your friends all over the world. They will be equally benefited. I'm looking forward to a summit filled with strategic insights, invaluable collaborations, and a renewed commitment to the growth. With that, thank you very much, and I'm equally interested, eager to get insights in the following sessions as well along with you. Thank you very much, my dear friends.